Banana Crèmeux, one more creamy insert recipe to add to your cooking book. A very versatile component, perfect for freezing as a mousse cake insert, building a complex insert with a jelly or sponge, or enjoying on its own. If serving it on its own, refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Bananas make this creamy component fragrant and extra soft in texture. You can pair it with a caramel, any type of chocolate, strawberry, mango, and many more flavors. The upcoming entremet recipe using banana crème will be built around milk, chocolate, caramel, and banana. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Simple ingredients and method: gelatin powder and cold water to make a gelatin mass, bananas and sugar. Cook together until the bananas are very soft and lightly caramelized. Heavy cream, sugar, and egg yolks to create the crème anglaise base. So bloom the gelatin in cold water. Cook the bananas with the sugar and transfer to a tall jug and set aside. Mix the egg yolks and sugar. Bring the cream to a simmer, add half of the hot cream to the yolks, mix, then return everything to the saucepan. Cook to 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the gelatin mass and mix until dissolved. Pour over the bananas and blend with a stick blender just until combined, about 30 seconds. Pour into two 16 cm silicone molds for a thin, neat layer, or make it thicker if you prefer. Place the silicone mat on a chopping board so it would be easier to move to the freezer. Freeze until solid, approximately 6 hours.